Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Syncee inventory feed setup with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the Syncee inventory feed setup with Shopify, first, log into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for Syncee in the search bar. Click on the Syncee app from the search results. Select the Add App button to install Syncee on your Shopify store. After installation, click on Apps in your Shopify admin. Find and open the Syncee app from your apps list. Now, you will see a welcome page from Syncee. Click on Get Started to start the setup process. Next, you'll need to choose your preferred product source. Select from options like supplier sources or marketplace sources. After selecting your source, follow the prompts to connect it to Syncee. You might need to enter your supplier's login credentials or API key. Once connected, you will see the products available from that supplier. Review the product list and select the items you want to import to Shopify. Set your desired pricing rules for the imported products. You can choose to mark up prices, set discounts, or keep them as is. Now, proceed to set your inventory and update frequency. Choose how often you want Syncee to refresh your product feed. This can be set to hourly, daily, or weekly updates. Once you've configured your settings, save your changes. Now head to the sync settings within the Syncee app. Here, select Sync to Shopify to begin importing your chosen products. Wait for the synchronization to complete, which may take a few moments. After sync, go back to your Shopify admin and check the Products section. You should see your imported products listed there. Take a moment to verify the product details and images. Make any necessary edits or adjustments as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.